Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Sumit's Quintessence, and in today's video we are going to see how to draw a realistic animal fur. So as you can see over my screen, for this tutorial I have done this practice sketch, and in this video I'll be demonstrating you the techniques that I personally follow whenever I draw animal skin textures and animal fur. So just have a look on this video. I'm sure you will be gaining some tips from this video. Just apply those techniques and learn from this video. So let's start. So this is the first technique that I personally follow for drawing animal fur. So I have already used 2H pencil and given the first layer, and as you can see I am first using HB pencil here to give the second layer for this. So one technique and tips for drawing animal fur is like whenever you're drawing any kind of animal fur, always follow the reference picture, always see the reference picture and see where actually the shadows are, where actually the darker tones, where actually the lighter tones and all. So this way you will be able to draw more realistic fur. So this is the first technique. And as you are done with the layers, you just use a cotton or blending stumps to blend the layers properly. And here I'm using 2B pencil, and then I'll be using 4B pencil to give more darker tones. And once you're done with all the layers, just use erasers for giving highlights. Just mark the strokes in the random direction so that it looks like realistic hair. So this is one of the way that I use for drawing realistic animal fur. Let's see the second approach. So in this technique I'll be using an indentation tool to draw animal fur. So as you can see over my screen, this I have purchased from Amazon. You can easily buy it. So in this technique you have to first mark the strokes of the hairs using this indentation tool on the paper, and like here I've used normal paper, but the more the GSM of the paper will be, the more proper indentation you can put. Once you are done with indentation, you can use 2H pencil to start with to mark your graphite shades, and then accordingly you can increase the darkness of the pencil according to the shade. Like first I've used 2H, then 2B, then 4B, and also I've used 6B. So again, like you need to use cotton or blending stumps to mix each layers properly. And as I said, like you need to see your reference picture to draw the strokes, to mark your strokes in the direction in which the hairs are flowing. So this is the second way which I basically follow and I basically use for drawing animal fur. And once you are done, you can use erasers to mark the highlights. In fact, this is the better approach, and I personally find it more better than the first approach that I've shown. So let's see the realistic time-lapse video of the cat face that I've drawn. And this is the practice sketch that I've done, and in this I've used the first approach that I've shown. So you can always apply tapes at the border, and once you're done with the sketch you can remove those tapes. It gives a very good and finishing look, as you can see. So yes, I'm done with this sketch, and I hope you gained something out of this tutorial and you like this. So that's all for this tutorial video, guys, and do let me know your comments on how you find this sketch and how you find this tutorial. So that's all. So if you like this, do share and subscribe to my channels with Quintessence for more such tutorials, videos, project works, and much more. So thank you.